How a mother should talk to her kid in English. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Good morning. Good morning. Let's brush your teeth. Let's brush your teeth. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Time for a bath. Time for a bath. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Say thank you. Say thank you. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Do you want more? Do you want more? Do you want a toy? Do you want a toy? Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. No worries, try again. No worries, try again. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Finish your meal. Finish your meal. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come here. Come here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Don't push. Don't push. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Don't draw on the wall. Don't draw on the wall. Be careful. Be careful. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Pick it up. Pick it up. Do you like it? Do you like it? Listen to me. Listen to me. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you okay? Are you okay? Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. What is this? What is this? Don't fight. It's a bad habit. Don't fight. It's a bad habit. Give this toy to your little sister. Give this toy to your little sister. I have a candy for you. I have a candy for you. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Don't pull me hair. Don't pull me hair. Take a sip, please. Take a sip, please. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't tease the dog. Don't tease the dog. Don't cry, Mommy is here. Don't cry, Mommy is here.